What is that state? Can you explain us a little bit about what was your relationship with money when you came to this program, and what is your relationship with money now that you've done this program?
So, I always felt that money was my enemy, or I was money's enemy. Not that I didn't have money, not that I didn't want or I didn't have any desire for money, but money was something like in the old Indian village psyche, it was an achut. I never thought of thinking of money. Whenever I dealt with anybody, I felt very uncomfortable when I dealt in money. But now money has got a whole new meaning.
And what is that? From being an achut to?
So money actually is not cash personified. Money is actually an energy that gets you a different state of mind. It is not necessary that we need to only buy things or own things to be rich or have money. Money means a totally different thing. Money means an energy energy of life, energy for life, energy which can get you peace, which can put you in a state where you don't feel any need, any want. Because the start of destruction of mind, pollution of mind is that basic need of, firstly the basic desire for money and basic lack of money, but that is no longer there. So that's where the peace of mind is right now. So money actually is all around us. It's like that we discussed that stone in the river. So river is money actually, it's full of energy. There's enough for everyone. There is more than enough for everyone, for anyone. You don't have to, you have to be open to receive it. You don't have to go out and grab it. That is what my relationship with money is right now.
And also let us know how are you going to apply this new learnings, these interesting point of views that you have about money in your life from now onwards with immediate effect?
Yeah, so from now onwards it is behavior as if I already have what the universe can give me. It is not a question of what I want, what I desire. I am a part of this universe. Universe knows what I need or want or where I should be put. Every small little thing, every big thing in the universe is at its place. The law of gravity takes care of that. The earth is hanging at a particular point in space. So universe puts everything in its place, in its space, gives it space. So I feel that the universe has put me already in my place, in my space, and I just wish that everything else goes into a state of zero inertia. It need not be moved. It should be in peace. It should be in its own space. It should have its own space. It should be in its own place.
And I have goosebumps as I listen to this amazing insight of yours.
Thank you.